Hey guys, it's me with Savoy Fitness. I'm going to show you all our culture building document, okay? Now, the purpose of this document is to critique your fellow coworkers to help them let them know the areas they are progressing in or they need to excel in a little bit more. Granted, we are not all perfect, but we want to try to bring a perfect coach into this facility. So, with that being said, here's some standard questions that you will see on the document. Then the coach introduce himself to new people and introduce them to the group. If that coach has done that, then you would simply put a Y for yes. If they have not, then you would put a no. Alright, and you would simply grade the coach as the class goes on. Now instead of, having a piece of paper in hand and looking over the coach's shoulder every 5 minutes, it's best that you take the class and take mental notes. So that way your fellow peer will not know what's going on. And then after the class is said and done, you hand them the sheet. Now, you would go down each task, letting them know if it's a Y for yes and then an N for no. Did the coach end every session with a high five, fist bump, or a handshake to each client? That brings a good atmosphere to the facility, and it shows, that you care about the client and the progress. Did you huddle the group up, explaining movements? Like a really super tight circle, so that way you're not yelling and everybody is paying attention to you and listen to what you have to say. All right, and then you would write your feedback notes on the culture building tasks. So for an example, if let's just say Susie Q, might have forgot her shirt and she had to run back out to the car and bring her shirt back in. You say, hey, why don't you just keep a shirt here in the facility so that way you have one on hand. Okay, and then you pick an aspect on the coaching where they can improve most. So for example, if the coach is monotone, then you would say, hey, what's going on? Maybe try be a little upbeat in the class a little bit more. It actually brings the energy up too. If the instructor has a high energy output, then the class will have a high energy output as well. And then you progress to go down. Here's the performance review. Okay. Now this question here is a cute question of the day / movement prep. Was their question of the day? Did they do one? Of course, you put check yes or no if they have not. All right. And then you want to make sure that that coach has chosen 12 to 16 general or specific exercises for the warm-up to make sure that the class is warm before they perform any vigorous activity. So, did they do 10? Did they do 10? Or did they do 12 to 16? The requirement is between 12 to 16. If they did that, then you would check yes. If they didn't, then you would check no. Moving down to the strength of Metcon, now remember, reverse engineering. Alright, now you want to make sure that the coach reverse engineered all the movements so that way the clients are properly warmed up and every muscle is activated so that they will not pull or hurt themselves during the workout. Alright, so you want to make sure that, hey coach, as a cue, you didn't do reverse engineering for Metcon number 2. You have to make sure you put that, okay, and say, hey, just don't forget to do, reverse engineering. Maybe you should try this instead. Give constructive criticism. Don't try to beat them down, okay? We're all human. At the end of the day, you want to make sure that you uplift each other and try to help each other out. And then you want to come to make sure that the WOD brief. After the reverse engineering, did the coach bring everybody back to the board to go over the required workout and the required rep scheme and how the workout is going to take place. For instance, if it's a fast-paced workout, or if you should find a pace and have a nice structure. How can I say it? Have a nice, consistent pace to the workout. And then you want to make sure that the coach turn the music up before the WOD, or do they just turn it up and say go? So you want to let the beat build and get the class going. Okay? Now this goes for strength and boot camp. Okay? So you want to make sure that the coaches that reverse engineered barbell workouts, barbell movements as well, like deadlifts, push press, clean and jerk. You want to make sure and give them constructive criticism. Try to help them out to be the best coach that they can be. And you proceed to go on down the list to see if that the coach has done any of these movements or any of these requirements. If they haven't, you click yes or no. For another answer, did the coach tell all the clients to check in on Facebook? It's a number one referral source, so you'll make sure that coach is checked in on Facebook and make sure that everybody's checking the Wi-Fi as well. And then if you still have notes you want to put down here for feedback, or you want to put any notes down to help your fellow peers be a better coach, feel free to put those down there. Everything helps, okay? So feel free. Culture building should be done at least once a month on a coach. You don't take the same coach's class every time, but if that's the only class you can make, and I totally understand due to a person's busy schedule. But you should at least take one coach's class per month. Okay, it helps everybody stay in tip-top shape and performance, and we keep each other, we stay on each other's toes. Okay, now once you have finished your culture building, you would turn it into the coach at the end of the class period and say, hey, take a look at this when you get a chance. When they've done that, they will take it and they will put it in their folder, and there's always something for them to look back to. So the coach can look at the errors they had and correct them, so that way they become the perfect coach for Savoy Fitness. Thank you guys, and have a good day.